Would you like to make 2.4x your money in 1 month like I have done? I started in Telegram sharing all my trades completely for free, but I decided, no, I deserve to have something from it. So what I'm going to do now, it will still be completely for free, but you will need to use my affiliate link to one of my trusted brokers. So what you need to do, deposit minimum $100. I suggest you to do more, of course, but it's completely up to you, of course. This is money that is yours. You deposit to the broker. I will never see this money, okay? I will just get a small kickback every time when you take a trade. That's where I will make some money. Okay. Then after, send an email to me. By the way, I will leave all this below the video, so you'll find all the things that you need to do to get a part of this so you can take my trades. You will then get a link where you get invited to my VIP group at Telegram. Currently, there are 0 people there. So when you come in, you will not see any trade probably, because I have not posted any trade there, because this is a new thing. So when you come in, you might be the first one, or you might be the person number 10. Who knows how popular this will be. So now let's take a look at some of my trades. So as you can see, I started with the $1,000 deposit, and I have now grown it to $2,400. And here you can see the trades. I will scroll slowly so you can see all the trades that I have done. And you can see I also have lost a 3 here. I don't win every single trade, but I win most of them. So, and I hold the trades longer period of time. So when I take a trade, you have good time to take the trade also. I don't trade short term, I trade long term. So through a week, maybe I do between 2 till 4 trades a week. Can be less, who knows. But I don't hold the trades too long. Some of the trades I close within like a day, some I can hold maybe 4 or 5 days. The thing is, all the trades I take before, because I see they are good trades in the long term. So, and sometimes I go in more times when the trade go a little against me, so I get a better position, so we make more money. Or sometimes I add on the position when the trade is going our way. By the way, all of this I will post in the VIP group, so you have the same possibilities to take the same trades like me. Also, as a bonus on this, of course, this you can do without me, of course, but when you sign up for these brokers, you can also join their signal groups where trades will take an automatic, because when you take my trades, you need to take them manually, but you can also follow people completely automatically, so you can diverse your money, if you can say like that, with other people also, if you choose to do so. That is completely up to you, of course. So now let's continue, look at some more trades. And see my recent 3 trades here that I closed today. So I made $400 on this large trade. You can see I take now 0.31. This you can take more or less, this is up to you. I might take lower when I take many trades and higher when I take just 1 trade. This is all about how good I see the signals. If I see the signal is like, not so good, but good enough, I go in with the lower. And I will also add that into the VIP group, how I feel about the trade and things like this. Maybe I put a voice message below. I think that's the fastest thing. I will give the signal, then I give a voice signal below what I think about the trade and why I take the trade. I will do like that. I think that's fair for you also. So if you want to join, like I said, you find link below the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. Make a comment if you're following. All this good stuff. Okay? So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next video.